Hello everyone, welcome to a day in 50 minutes UPSC Prelims Daily Current Affairs by Neo IAS. Today is 6th January 2020 and topics of the day are Marine Ecosystem Challenges and Opportunities, National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Persons, Project Netra, Street Lighting National Program, Pneumococcal Vaccine. We are moving to our first topic, that is Marine Ecosystem Challenges and Opportunities, MECOS 3. Symposium is conducted by Marine Biological Association of India. Kochi will host this global meet which is based on marine ecosystem. It will act as a common platform for experts to have discussion on climate crisis, unusual warming of Arabian Sea, ocean acidification, etc. It will also have a discussion on United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 14, that is life under water. It will also focus on the development of small-scale fisheries, eco-labeling and green fisheries technologies. It is aimed at formulating strategies for sustainable utilization of marine wealth. MECOS 1 and MECOS 2 was held at Kochi in 2009 and 2014 respectively. Okay. We are moving to our next topic, that is National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Person 2019. It is also called Pradhan Mantri Laghu Vyapari Mandhan Yojana. So it is a voluntary and contribution based central sector scheme, and under this scheme the subscriber would receive rupees 3,000 per month after attaining the age of 60 years. The beneficiary should not be an income tax payer and also should not be a member of EPFO, NPS, etc. The central government shall give 50% share of the monthly contribution and the remaining 50% contribution shall be made by the beneficiaries. What are the eligibility criteria? The entry age should be between 18 and 14 years. Annual turnover is rupees 1.5 crore or below. Okay. Then we are moving to our next topic, that is Project Netra. ISRO signs a pact with Astrophysics Institute in establishing an optical telescope under Project Netra. And it is for tracking space debris. What is space debris? It could be a floating particles from a dead satellite or a rocket parts that stay in orbit for many years. The Project Netra, it is an early warning system in space to detect space debris. They can spot and track objects as small as 10 cm up to a range of 3,400 km and are equal to a space orbit of around 2,000 km. What is the importance of this Project Netra? The project will give India its own capability in space situational awareness, like many other space powers. Netra's eventual goal is to capture geostationary orbit, which is at 36,000 kilometers. Netra effort would make India a part of international effort towards tracking and mitigating space debris. You may have heard of Netra of DRDO. Okay. What is Netra of DRDO? It is a software network used to analyze internet traffic. And Netra of DRDO is used by RAW, Research and Analysis Wing, Intelligence Bureau and other intelligence agencies of Government of India. We are moving to next topic, that is Street Lighting National Program. Government of India's Ujala. What is Ujala? Unnat Jyoti, affordable LEDs for all. Ujala as well as LED Street Lighting National Program of Government of India marked its 5th anniversary on 5th January. Street Lighting National Program is the world's largest street light replacement program, and Ujala is the world's largest domestic lighting project. Both have been spearheaded and implemented by EESL, Energy Efficiency Service Limited. It is a joint venture of public sector units under Ministry of Power, Government of India. The Street Lighting National Program, under this program, over 1.03 crore smart LED street lights have been installed till date. It have enabled in energy saving as well as reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. LED street lights have been installed in various states across the country, helping generate approximately 13,000 jobs, which in turn support Government of India's Make in India initiative. LED street lighting program has enabled citizens to increase productivity at night, and it made roads safer for pedestrians due to enhanced brightness. Then Ujala, that is Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all, it brought the market transformation in energy efficiency sector. Price of LED bulbs being distributed under Ujala program have been fallen to 1/10. The average household electricity bill have been reduced by 15% because of Ujala scheme. The switch from the inefficient incandescent bulbs to LEDs have helped the family to a very much large extent in reducing the electricity bills. Okay, then we are going to our next topic, that is pneumococcal vaccine. Why it is in news? Because pneumococcal vaccine developed by Pune-based Serum Institute of India has been pre-qualified by World Health Organization. Pre-qualification of vaccine by WHO was based on a result of phase 3 trial, which is the final phase of human clinical trial. It has been carried out in 2,250 children in Gambia, a small West African country. According to UNICEF report, pneumonia caused 1,27,000 deaths in India in 2018, which is the second highest number of child mortality under the age of 5 in the world. In India, pneumonia and diarrhea cause the most deaths in children under 5 years. Pneumococcal vaccine, Pneumocil. It is a conjugate vaccine to help produce stronger immune response to a weaker antigen. It is 30% cheaper than GAVI price, GAVI, GAVI price. We will study what is GAVI in next slide. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine was included under India's universal immunization program. Okay, next we are going to study what is GAVI. It is Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization. It is an international coalition of public and private partners to increase access to immunization in poor countries. It includes both national governments as well as international organizations such as UNICEF, World Health Organization and World Bank. Philanthropic institutions such as Bill and Melinda Gates Children's Vaccine Program are also part of GAVI Alliance. Alliance was officially launched in Davos, Switzerland in January 2000. It supports world's poorest countries whose gross national income per capita is below or equal to $1,580. GAVI supported countries doesn't include India, but it includes Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, etc. That's all for today. For more information, please visit www.neoiascap.com. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Follow our website neoiascap.com for the detailed content and monthly prelims digest. Also join our current affairs exclusive test series through the website. And finally, participate in the daily current affairs prelims infotainment quiz at our Telegram channel, that is Neo IAS Prelims, at 9:30 p.m. every day. Thank you.